Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to use YouTube extensions on Bard AI. So, YouTube extensions are powerful tools that can enhance your YouTube experience in a variety of ways. They can provide additional information about videos, improve your productivity, and even help you to personalize your YouTube experience. But when you combine YouTube extensions with Bard AI, you get the best of both worlds. Bard AI is a powerful language model that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. As Bard AI extensions offer a fresh way to use Bard AI with YouTube, it will allow you to connect Bard AI to YouTube and use its powerful capabilities to enhance your YouTube experience. But before we dive into practical examples, if you have any interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and learning how to make the most of them, you have come to the right place. Our content revolves around keeping you well informed and delivering step-by-step tutorials on harnessing AI tools in today's fast-paced world. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Your support is instrumental in sustaining our content creation. Now, let us get started. To activate the YouTube extension, you will want to follow these straightforward steps. Begin by visiting the Bard website and logging into your account. Locate the extensions icon, often represented as a puzzle piece, in the top right corner of the window. Toggle on the YouTube extension. And then, here are some examples of how you can use Bard AI extensions with YouTube. You can utilize Bard AI to discover a wealth of helpful videos conveniently on YouTube. Imagine a scenario where you are faced with a practical challenge like fixing a leaky faucet. Instead of sifting through countless search results, you can simply say, "Find a video on how to fix a leaky faucet" to Bard AI. In response, Bard AI will promptly present you with a curated list of relevant and informative videos that address your specific query. It is time-saving and efficient way to access valuable instructional content. But Bard's AI capabilities don't stop there. If you happen to come across a song playing in the background and its title eludes you, Bard AI can come to your rescue. Simply inquire, "What song is this?" followed by a snippet of the lyrics or a brief hum of the melody, and Bard AI will work its magic to identify the track for you. It is a handy feature for those moments when you have a catchy tune in your head but can't recall the title. So, whether you are seeking practical solutions or musical discoveries, Bard AI is here to assist you. Additional tips: you can also use Bard AI extensions to generate creative content like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. related to YouTube videos. You can use Bard AI extensions to help you with your research. For example, you could ask Bard AI to find relevant videos on a topic or to summarize a video for you. You can use Bard AI extensions to help you with your productivity. For example, you could use Bard AI to generate transcripts of videos or to create summaries of videos that you need to share with others. What are your thoughts on this? Do you find it impressive, or do you think it doesn't change much? I am eager to hear your feedback on the new YouTube extensions featuring Bard AI. So, would love to read your comments. From my personal perspective, I find it truly remarkable that Bard offers not only the ability to search for various topics, but also the convenience of seeking out instructional videos and music. It is particularly convenient that these features are integrated seamlessly into Bard, as they significantly enhance productivity. We appreciate your presence here. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please don't hesitate to leave your queries in the comments section below. I have covered each of the Bard AI extensions step by step. If you haven't had a chance to watch all of them, I recommend doing so, as they contain user-friendly guides on using the different Bard AI extensions. Be sure to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Once again, thank you, and we are looking forward to seeing you in the next video.